Here we are. We're in Dominica. I've lost track of what day it is. 11? I think it's 11, 10 or 11. Anyway.
I think it's Wednesday. It's been a long trip.
Yeah. And that is why, my friends, that we are going to take it easy in Dominica today.
Yeah, we had a tour scheduled actually to go into the rainforest, and we decided not to go because, first of all, if you look up into the rainforest right now,
it is raining.
It is definitely raining. That's why they call it a rainforest. So, and it was raining this morning when we pulled in. And so we're going to go in. We're actually going to have breakfast. Then we're going to go into town for a little bit, which...
We're not going into town.
We're not going into town because there is no really anything to see in the town. There's got like a little kind of like a flea market set up on the...
we're going to do the flea market.
And that's it. So we'll check back with you once we get off the ship and...
here comes the clouds.
Get into get into town. So it looks like it might rain here again shortly. So.
All right. So we'll see you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Dominica today.
Dominica was
Kind of like Grenada.
they're still really recovering from Hurricane Maria a year ago. So I mean, there's buildings and roofs that are gone. So there wasn't a whole lot of the town to see. There was like a flea market on the very short, small, little tiny pier.
Yeah, we'll have video, and they had cobblestones and
Yeah, I mean, the city's
really
pretty cool. The architecture's cool. It's old,
Right.
but there wasn't really much to do. So we just kind of hung out on the ship the rest of the day, and actually just kind of rested.
So we're headed out to dinner. We're gonna go to the Italian restaurant tonight. El Capitano.
El Capitano something like that.
We're gonna actually go to Alchemy, and then we're off to eat. Honey, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing my designer
lanyard.
My designer sailing sign. All right, we can go now.
No.
Oh,
my
yeah,
turn.
I forgot you. I forgot.
Don't forget me. Okay. So I'm gonna just like I said, I'm gonna wear my dresses twice if I can. So I'm repurposing, or not repurposing, but re-wearing the Stitch Fix dress that I wore on Embarkation Day. So I really, really like this dress. I've just got a pair of brown sandals on, and I put these on because my feet are so swollen. And I brought my little black wrap, my white purse, my Celine Dion white purse.
Oh,
earrings,
cabin steward, hold
and
on.
a necklace. And our cabin steward.
Cabin steward, hold on. Hey, it's Ty, everybody. Say hi, Ty.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging. We're getting ready to leave in like 2 minutes. All right, say goodbye, Ty. Anyway, we'll check in with you. We'll check in with you.
Are you gonna edit that?
No. We'll check in.
Really? You're not gonna edit that? I bet you edit that.
I'm not gonna edit that. What you see is what you get. This is me. Yep. Verbal fumbles and all.
All right, we're headed out.
All right.
We'll see you guys at dinner. We're gonna try to get in before I eat my dinner when it gets to me. I always forget. I'm just so hungry. And I shouldn't be. We've eaten so much.
All right, I need a cocktail.
Okay.
All right.
We're out.
Bye.
Bye.
Right. So we're back in the Italian restaurant, and I ordered linguine and clams. What did you order for dinner?
I ordered the cavatappi, which has a pork and veal bolognese sauce. I ordered the antipasta appetizer and the meatball. That is what I ordered.
So this is the antipasti, which looks delicious.
Look at that. What is this? I'm sorry, go ahead.
This is the meatball. She's sticking her fork in again.
I wanted to see what this is.
So on the antipasti plate, there were cheese-stuffed green olives. And we drank them with this new wine, which I'll get the name of to you at some point. So sorry, we drank the wine and we ate the olives. And it was incredible. So this is the wine that we've been raving about right here. Lambrusco from
Italy.
Yes. It is an Italian wine from Italy. So I'm going to try it with, what is this, like a mortadella? What is this?
Like a mortadella.
It's like a mortadella. So we'll try it with the wine. Wow. The meats like totally bring out the fruity properties of the wine. Really good. Y'all didn't know you were getting a wine tasting course, did ya?
All right, my meal came, and it is a cavatappi with a veal and beef shank bolognese sauce, and it is fantastico. I don't know what else to say other than wow. This has been the best meal so far that I've had this trip.
So this is the linguine and clams, and I'm going to try it right now. I need to get the clam. And it is outstanding.
Good.
Go time.
End of Dominica Day.
So this is going to be a double version.
2-day version.
2-day version of Pillow Talk, because we didn't do Pillow Talk last night. Because quite honestly, there wasn't really a whole lot going on. So we thought we would combine yesterday and today. So we were in Barbados yesterday. And
Dominica today.
Yesterday we went to the Barbados Hilton for the day.
Barbados Hilton had a great pool area, great server Teresa was fantastic, very friendly, very, very friendly.
Everybody. The hospitality in Barbados, the people were great, and they're really focused on the tourism aspect of the island. So service was excellent. The highlight of the day, though, probably was our cab driver.
In Barbados.
In Barbados, her name
Jenny.
Yeah, Jenny. She was awesome. She was great.
And then today
we were in
Dominica,
or as they call it, Dominica, which is much different than the other islands. It is very mountainous, very, very mountainous,
and very green.
It's known for the rainforests, which you can clearly see just from the port. So you can clearly see. Still see the hurricane damage, lots of buildings without roofs,
but they did have some shopping, like a flea market set up.
They did. They had a flea market kind of off the pier, which was this little tiny wooden pier, it was interesting to watch the ship maneuver in this morning.
Right.
So the city itself, the town itself, there's not a lot going on. Like I said, there's still a lot of boarded up buildings and buildings without roofs and blue tarps and a lot of construction going on. But we went to the flea market and got a couple things.
Yep.
And then got back on the ship, and honestly just kind of we relaxed.
Yes, and it was nice to relax. I even took a nap.
Anyway, we'll see you all mañana.
Tomorrow, Saint Martin.
In Saint Martin.
All right. Good night, honey.
I love you. Love you.
Love you. Love you more.
Love you.
If you like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Please do that.
Like and subscribe. Really, we need the work. We'll talk to y'all tomorrow.
Okay, bye.